Hi everybody! Today we're going to learn how to draw some tree characters at the park. So grab some paper and something to draw with and let's get started! Wow! This tree looks perfect! How about we draw this one? Yeah! Okay, we're not going to copy this tree exactly, we just want to use it for inspiration. So we're going to come and draw a straight line here. Another straight line over on this side. I see the roots coming out of the tree on the bottom a little bit, so we'll draw two there. One over on this side. And then let's get some bumpy branches coming out like this. One there, one on the top, and then a third one there on the side. Now, we don't want to draw all the tiny little details, so let's just do some bumpy shapes here to give our tree some leaves. Like that. Perfect. Next, let's give our character some eyes. We'll do a circle there, another circle right there, two lines underneath, a little smile, and then we'll fill in the pupils. Just like that. Next, we'll do two eyebrows, then a few freckles on the side, a couple more details, couple lines, some grass coming on the side of the tree. And there we have a tree character. You did such a good job on that one. I'm so proud of you. Now, let's learn about some real trees.
Trees are the largest plants in existence. Some grow hundreds of feet tall. The tallest tree in the world is actually 377 feet tall. Wow, that is taller than a 35-story building. Something else that is super cool about trees is that when trees grow in shade, the bark on their trunk grows thinner.
That was so much fun learning about trees, wasn't it? Now let's draw one more tree before you go. Come on, let's look over here. Look, I found this really awesome tree right here. Let's draw it. Okay, we don't need to copy the tree exactly, but we want to use it for inspiration. So I'm seeing some straight lines down, but they're nice and jagged with all of that bark. So we'll do some jagged lines. And the bottom doesn't have a whole lot of roots coming out, just kind of jagged up against the dirt. So we'll do some jagged lines and then back up like this and stop right there. I'm seeing a branch sticking out right here on the side, and then it comes down again, back in, and some pine needles sticking out like this. Perfect. Then we're going to go up and draw another branch sticking out right there. Then a really big one sticking out over here. And then more pine needles, like this. We'll do a bunch of needles all around. Now let's give our character some eyes. Do two big round eyes like this. A really big jagged mouth. And some rounded teeth. Perfect. Now let's fill in the pupils of the eyes like this. Add two eyebrows on top. And then a couple lines underneath. Now let's finish off that bark detail. We have some jagged lines coming down and around. And there we have a tree character.
Yay!
Wow, look at that character. You did such a good job following along with me. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters together. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!